Hey guys, welcome back to the Not Study video. In this video, guys, we will discuss about cash app dispute method. So simply, guys, if you send unauthorized payment or if you send payment to anyone mistakenly, then how can you dispute them or refund them? So simply, first of all, guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection and guys, you have latest and updated version of cash app. So you may open App Store or Google Play Store and update your app from here. Then, guys, you may open and you may log in or sign in with your account. After this, guys, here the option of activity, so you may click here and you may see all your activities from here. So you may select any transaction you want to dispute from here, and you may click here on three dots, and here you may see that here is the option of cash app support. So you may click here and you may tell them your problem for dispute, and they will so you may check as refunding payment. So you may also click here and you may ask for refund or dispute from here, and after that you may upload some necessary documents within 13 days from dispute date. So after that guys, your cash will be refunded. So if your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, then you may click here on your profile icon, and here is the option of support. So you may click here and you may click here on chat. So click here and you may contact to cash app support team and tell them your problem, and they will fix it as soon as possible. So by all these method you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.